listings. One is the Brisbane property that you toured.
Yep.
With that bathtub on the outside. I know. Everyone loves that house. Someone needs to buy it. I have the 5047 Brisbane Ave in Yucca. Mm-hmm. And that one I just love. I feel like it's a very architecturally significant home. It's really has a combination of the modern mixed with kind of a farm house. It has all the warm. It has lots of stone in it. And it just really is the epitome of the indoor-outdoor desert living. You know, it has a little bit of the wabi-sabi. I know you got into that. But definitely modern, but has storage and still feels warm. I think a lot of modern homes, you know, it's hard to have that balance, and this one does. Another listing off of Chickasaw, which is right up, it's just Rice Road is kind of right up. It's on the south side of 62, kind of by the hospital. Up to the right.
Joshua Tree.
In Joshua Tree, where all those boulders are, and there's massive boulders. It's land listing. It's 4 parcels. It's almost 12 acres total. It's like a lot of people go there to take photos because the boulders are so great. But it is a private property, and that one I had listed before. Now it's back on the market with it actually went through auction, and it's now with the lenders, and so essentially selling it, trying to sell the land from the lenders. So the original developer, there was a developer who bought it and had plans, so the original listing had a lot of renderings from the plans. Another unique listing in the area is the listing I have on Mesquite Dunes, which is beautifully renovated, active short-term rental in Desert Heights on 10 acres. It's so adorable. You have to come out and see it. It's curated, designed by Studio Morant. And it has vintage furniture, custom finishes, organic textures. What I love most about this is the lush mesquite bushes that are literally mesquite dunes surrounding the property. It's so private. Ultimately, I like to focus on, more of the short-term rentals, more luxury home and land for development, or even just preservation. So I think also the Chickasaw lots could be a great one if someone just wants to preserve the land and have the boulders there, and never built. Have had interest in people who just wanted to buy it so that it would never get built.